answer. Ella is gone!
Where did she go?
The tunnel! Ella, can you hear me?
Stay behind the line.
Please open it.
The lock is still active. I'm checking the panel. Work quickly.
It's only behind glass. Stay calm. Breathe. This is my fault!
Look at me.
I sent her there. A help button. Please work. Hello? There it is! It's huge! Stay close. Welcome! Are those ours? They're beautiful! The tunnel is this way. Are there sharks? Let's go! It's so tall! Look at the fish!
Right above you.
I'm a puffer fish! Your face! Like this?
Hold that pose.
I'm a jellyfish! Take it! 2 fingers very gently. Like this? Perfect. I'm a crab! You look ridiculous! Watch my claws! Spiral shell stickers. I love them! They're so pretty. Here you go. Thank you! This is awesome!
The tunnel is ahead.
Wow! Let's go!
One secret clue? Ella will love it. Right here, my first clue.
A shell? Who put this here? It's a clue! Did you do this? Me? I know that smile. It's a treasure game! For me? Find every shell. The Ray Gallery! Follow the clue! I'm coming! It's flying! Look at those wings!
Clue number 2. She's getting closer.
I found it! Mom? Ben? Where are you? The door is closing! Wait! Please! Don't close! I'm still here! Wait! No. Mom? Dad? I'm still here. Mom! Dad! Can you hear me? Please come back! There must be a phone. Hello? A button! Please connect. Someone answer. Please.
Tunnel intercom. I'm answering. Hello, I can see you. Stay beside the intercom. You are not alone.
You can hear me?
Yes, Ella.
Please help me.
Back to the tunnel.
Ella! She followed my clue. She's alone in there.
We'll reach her.
Hurry! The final tunnel clue, Ella followed it. It was me.
Show me the exact place.
Inside the tunnel alcove.
Take me there.
This way.
Stay close to me.
Hurry! Has anyone checked the tunnel? Security is responding. Please take me there.
Ella, stay where you are.
Is my family coming?
They're on their way.
I'll wait right here. They're coming.
The child is waiting inside. I'm checking the release. Keep me updated. Is Ella inside? She contacted us.
Is she safe?
She's waiting safely.
That's Ella. She's safe and waiting. Thank goodness. They'll come soon. I'm not as scared now.
The release sequence has started. Status is yellow. It needs a moment.
The light changed. They're opening it. I'll stay here. It stopped. Why did it stop? Stay here, Ella.
The second lock stopped it. Can we use the backup? I'm checking now. The first release stopped safely. What happens now? We use the backup.
It's all my fault. I made the last clue. I'm sorry, Ella.
Tell me what happened. I put the clue near the tunnel. Stay beside me now. They're still working. I can wait.
The door needs another release.
Will it take long?
We're working quickly.
Just one sip. Slow breaths.
2 locks are linked. The manual release should work. There's a manual release. Show me. This way.
Ella, we're here.
We can see you!
Stay calm, sweetheart. Mom, Dad, I can see you. I'm sorry, Ella.
She'll hear you soon.
I hope she forgives me.
There's a manual release. Show me. This way. Now, release activated. Watch the lights.
Red, yellow, green. It's working. Stay back. The lights are green.
The release worked.
Please open. It's opening. I can see the light. I'll wait.
Wait there, Ella.
Okay.
Almost safe. It's safe now, Ella.
I can come out?
Yes, walk slowly. One careful step.
I'm coming.
You're doing well. Are you feeling okay?
I think so.
Take a slow breath.
Ella! Mom! Come here. I was so scared. I've got you. Don't let go.
Let me look at you.
I'm okay, Dad.
Thank goodness.
Dad,
You're safe.
I missed you.
I'm sorry.
I was really scared.
I know.
I made the final clue. I didn't think. Please forgive me. I forgive you, but it was dangerous. I understand. I'm so sorry. Stay close next time. I promise.
Stay on public paths. Use the intercom if you need help.
I understand. Me too.
Games must keep everyone together.
I understand.
Ask an adult first.
I will. These belong with the staff.
Thank you for returning them. Ask permission next time.
I will.
We'll collect every card.
I'll help.
Stay beside me.
Okay.
One last tear.
I'm feeling better.
I'm right here.
The lights changed, then the door closed.
You did the right thing.
Lift the whole card. Carefully. That's right.
Let's stay together.
Right beside each other. I will. Me too.
Lift the whole card.
Carefully. Good job. I'm returning this.
Thank you, Ben. Use this safe activity.
Okay.
This is for your courage.
For me?
You followed every instruction.
Thank you.
Clip it right there.
Like this? Perfect. Ryan gave me this. You were really brave. I was still scared, but you did the right thing.
Stand together.
No funny pose this time. Good idea.
Smile. Games stay on public paths.
And close to trusted adults.
I understand. I do too.
Next time we stay together.
And we ask first.
Promise?
Promise.
Thanks for forgiving me.
Stay beside me.
Always.
Let's go home.